I'm Kevin O'Flaherty. I hope you enjoyed this Learn About Law video and podcast presented by O'Flaherty Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several locations for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Hi, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and in this video we'll discuss the attorney modification process that occurs after the initial purchase contract and price are agreed upon and signed by the buyers and sellers of a home. We'll cover some of the complications that can arise during the attorney review period and discuss what's commonly included in the attorney modification letter. So for a majority of the population, purchasing a home is going to be the largest transaction any of us will undertake in our lifetimes. Because of this, it's common to feel excited, scared, frustrated, and impatient throughout the entire process, most of all during the attorney review period. When you sell or purchase a home, your realtor will usually present you with a widely used form contract. The realtor will have the ability to customize that form to fit your needs. The contract will typically provide that each party's attorney will have 5 business days to 1, approve the contract, 2, reject the contract, or 3, negotiate modifications to the contract. During this 5-day period, the contract is going to be contingent upon attorney approval. If your attorney fails to reject or seek to modify the contract within the 5-day period, the contract will automatically be binding upon you after the 5-day period expires. Attorney modification, the actual review period itself, can feel a little fuzzy when you're in the middle of it. If you're a buyer and your real estate agent sends over a contract with an agreed upon purchase amount, but the sellers decide to maybe not sign anything, then no party is entered into any attorney review period at that point. Once a contract is signed by both parties, they enter an official attorney review and modification period. This period allows for the inspection to be performed and extensions to be filed as necessary. These timeframes are not going to be concrete, but if the extensions are not requested appropriately, a deal may fall through or a contract may become binding. Missing deadlines can happen, but having a good real estate attorney will reduce the chance of missing a deadline or fudging a line on the contract to near zero. Once the inspection has been completed and the buyer's party has had a chance to review the inspection report, the buyer's attorney will draft an initial modification letter. This letter doesn't really make any changes to the actual initial real estate contract, the purchase contract, but rather acts as a separate type of contract modifying specific items. Typically, all or most are going to be related to the inspection report. When your attorney sends a letter requesting modification of the contract, he or she will include language in the letter that states that the proposed modifications do or do not represent a counteroffer. If the modifications do represent a counteroffer, the other side will have the opportunity to negate the contract by rejecting the modifications. If the modifications do not represent a counteroffer, rejecting the modifications will nullify the contract. So the modification letter may list any number of things, not limited to items on the inspection. For example, the modification letter may list a different deadline by which the buyers have to secure their mortgage loan, or changing the amount of earnest money required by the sellers buyers in order to satisfy a previous request by the buyers. These negotiations can go back and forth a handful of times until both parties are satisfied. Often the parties cannot come to an agreement on the contract modifications within the 5-day review period. In this case, the review period is typically going to be extended by mutual agreement. A good attorney will be sure to staunchly protect his client's interests while at the same time working to achieve a meeting of the minds between the parties so as to prevent the deal from falling through. As always, thanks for tuning in.
Hi, Kevin O'Flaherty again from O'Flaherty Law. Hope you enjoyed our presentation of Learn About Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.